Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Tonight, I'm out in the drive and I'm going to do a quick little upgrade to the truck. As you may have known, the driver's side mirror head that I've got is heated, which is really nice. Especially we get quite a bit of frost here, so it's really nice to not have to scrape the mirrors off. But the passenger side is not, and I was not able to find a passenger side mirror that was heated because of the shape of the glass. So I've got a heater element I'm going to put in the mirror, and we're going to show you how. So I've already pulled the gasket off the mirror head. I took my heat gun and heated up slowly around the perimeter. It's just got like a sticky tape, two-sided tape probably on the bottom and top. I slid a piece of plastic in the middle and just worked it around until I got the glass out. It was pretty easy. Just take your time so you don't break the glass. But yeah, so I'm left with my mirror glass. So what we're going to be doing is adding one of these heater elements to the back side of the glass. Now this is what they use in OEM mirrors. They are sticky back, and they just adhere to the back of the glass. They've got wiring connections on them. The one I bought came with the pigtail for it. This is a name brand setup. This is not one of the Chinese ones. Supposedly those aren't very good, they don't last very long, so I went with this one, which I'll put links to all this stuff, or part numbers anyways, in the video description so you can check it out. But yeah, these are just a simple peel and stick deal. Peel the paper off, stick it to the back, and then we're going to drill the mirror housing and the door to run our wiring through. There we go. Have the element stuck to the glass, have our connections made, and just a little tape over them just to help prevent them from shorting out on the mirror housing. So now I'm going to go on and drill a pass-through hole in the back side of the housing. I'm going to look at the driver's side here and see where it passes through. Looks like it comes through, not sure if you'll be able to see this, but right below where the bracket is. So I'll basically copy that so they look the same. Put a little rubber grommet in there, pass the wiring through, and get our glass put back in place. There we go. Little grommet, got it passed through the mirror, and got the mirror glass back on. I just ran a little bead of RTV at the top and the bottom, pushed the glass back in, and snap the rubber gasket back around, and that'll set up nice. Should keep it from vibrating. But yeah, now I just need to drill a hole in the door to pass the wire through. Grommet there. We'll put a little RTV on the grommet as well, keep water out. And yeah, the rest will just be running the wiring into the cab over to the switch, which won't be a big deal. You all know how to route wiring and hook up switches, I'm sure. But yeah, pretty simple little upgrade. A little trick for your grommets: use your heat gun to warm them up a little bit. They get really soft. But got our hole drilled in the door right below the mirror bracket. I'll put a little RTV on the outside of that, pop this grommet in, and get our wire pushed through the door. And there we have it. Mirrors back together, and everything was done on the truck, so didn't have to take the mirror off the truck or anything like that. Now I do have the wiring ran inside the door, which I will this door does not have any of the electricals working on it currently. It's the door I replaced, which I need to pull my my original harness from my other door that I took off the truck and put in this door so the power windows stuff works. But when I do, I will slide the wiring for the mirror through the pass-through into the cab, and it will fit like factory. You'll never notice it being there. But yeah, very simple setup. Which the driver's side mirror I've got hooked up, power running to a switch on the dash. Probably can't see that, so got power running to a switch on the dash, and yeah, it's very simple. That switch is fed ignition hot power. It would be nice to set it up on a timer, but yeah, they do make kits for that, but I don't like the switch that works with them, and I really just remember to turn it off. So the switch is lighted, and it will turn off with the ignition for sure. But anyways, with that said, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm not going to wire it up right now. I've got to clean the shop up. But yeah, if you've got any comments, questions, complaints, drop them in the comment section below. If you would, hit that thumbs up button. Helps us out quite a bit and doesn't cost you anything. Links will be in the video description. Link to the website, PayPal account if you want to make a donation. And yeah, with that said, if you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.